Hello and welcome to the Cryptokens exchange tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly and securely exchange TON to Ethereum using our service. The process is simple and you can complete it in just a few steps. Step 1. Select the currencies for exchange. On the Cryptokens homepage, choose the cryptocurrency you want to exchange. In the Send section, select TON from the drop-down list or use the search bar. Just start typing the name or use ticker symbol to find it quickly. Enter the amount of TON you want to exchange. Make sure it meets the minimum required amount for processing. Now, in the Receive section, choose Ethereum as the currency you want to receive. The system will instantly show you the estimated amount of ETH based on the current exchange rate. Once everything looks good, click View Offers. Step 2. Choose the best exchange offer. At this stage, you will see a list of available exchange providers offering TON to ETH swaps. Cryptokens allows you to choose between fixed and floating exchange rates. Fixed rates ensure you get the exact amount displayed, while floating rates may vary based on market conditions. Select the offer that suits you best and click Exchange. Step 3. Enter Ethereum recipient wallet address where you want to receive your exchanged funds. Double-check the address before proceeding. Cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible, and entering the wrong address means your funds could be lost. Once verified, click Continue button. Step 4. Send TON to complete the exchange. You will now see the partner's deposit wallet address where you need to send your TON. Copy the address or use the QR code to speed up the process. Send the exact amount of TON as specified to avoid any processing issues. At this step, the exchange status will be waiting. This means that transfer of funds hasn't been detected yet. While partner is waiting for confirmation of the deposit in the blockchain of the sending currency, the exchange status will be confirming. Once the TON transaction is received by partner, the status will change to exchanging. To monitor your transaction, use the Cryptokens Track Order ID search bar feature. Simply enter your order ID to see real-time updates on your exchange status. Once the exchange is completed, you will see status sending. It means that partner sends funds to the user's address. Status appears as finished when the receiving currency has been credited to the user's address. It indicates that exchange has been successfully made and your Ethereum coins will be available in your wallet. And that's it. You've successfully exchanged TON to Ethereum on Cryptokens, quick, secure, and registration-free. To start your exchange now, visit Cryptokens.fi. Thank you for watching and happy swapping!